Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Real World English. I am very happy you are here today. This is a safe place to learn English. This is a calm place. This is a friendly place. Today, we will practice real English, simple English, everyday English. Our topic today is very important. It is about speaking naturally. It is about speaking with confidence. The title of today's lesson is 70 Must-Know Sentences for Everyday English. These are sentences you can use every day, at home, at work, in a shop, with friends, with family. You do not need perfect English. You do not need fast English. You just need clear English. Please listen carefully. Please listen slowly. If you can, repeat after me. This is called shadowing. You listen, then you repeat. It is okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. You are doing great already. Let's begin. Now, let me explain the topic very simply. Many people understand English. They can read, they can listen. But when they speak, they feel stuck. Their mind feels empty. They feel nervous. This is very common. You are not alone. One big reason is this. People do not practice full sentences. They know words, but they do not know how to use them. Today, we fix that problem. We will practice full sentences, real sentences, natural sentences. These sentences are short. They are easy. They are useful. You can use them again and again. Please remember this. You do not need many sentences. You need the right sentences. Today you will learn 70 sentences. These sentences can help you speak every day. I will speak slowly. I will repeat often. Please relax. Please enjoy the lesson. Now, we move to the main learning section. I will say a sentence. Then I will pause. You listen and repeat. Let's start. Sentence 1. Hello. How are you today? Listen. Hello. How are you today? Now repeat. Pause. Sentence 2. I am doing well, thank you. Listen. I am doing well, thank you. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 3. Nice to meet you. Listen. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 4. How was your day? Listen. How was your day? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 5. My day was good. Listen. My day was good. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 6. What are you doing right now? Listen. What are you doing right now? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 7. I am just relaxing. Listen. I am just relaxing. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 8. Can you help me, please? Listen. Can you help me, please? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 9. Yes, of course. Listen. Yes, of course. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 10. Thank you so much. Listen. Thank you so much. Repeat. Pause. Good job. You are doing very well. Let's continue. Sentence 11. You are welcome. Listen. You are welcome. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 12. Excuse me. Listen. Excuse me. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 13. I'm sorry about that. Listen. I'm sorry about that. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 14. No problem at all. Listen. No problem at all. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 15. Could you say that again? Listen. Could you say that again? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 16. I don't understand. Listen. I don't understand. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 17. Can you speak more slowly? Listen. Can you speak more slowly? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 18. That sounds good. Listen. That sounds good. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 19. I think so. Listen. I think so. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 20. I don't think so. Listen. I don't think so. Repeat. Pause. You are halfway to 30. Keep going. Stay calm. Sentence 21. What do you mean? Listen. What do you mean? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 22. I like that idea. Listen. I like that idea. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 23. I don't like this. Listen. I don't like this. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 24. Let me think about it. Listen, let me think about it. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 25. I need more time. Listen, I need more time. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 26. I'm ready now. Listen, I'm ready now. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 27. What time is it? Listen, what time is it? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 28. It's time to go. Listen, it's time to go. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 29. I'll be there soon. Listen, I'll be there soon. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 30. See you later. Listen, see you later. Repeat. Pause. Excellent. Now we continue. Sentence 31. I'm on my way. Listen, I'm on my way. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 32. What do you want to eat? Listen, what do you want to eat? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 33. I'm not hungry right now. Listen, I'm not hungry right now. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 34. I'm very hungry. Listen, I'm very hungry. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 35. Can I have this, please? Listen, can I have this, please? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 36. How much is this? Listen, how much is this? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 37. That's too expensive. Listen, that's too expensive. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 38. That's a good price? Listen, that's a good price. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 39. I would like some coffee. Listen, I would like some coffee. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 40. Can I pay by card? Listen, can I pay by card? Repeat. Pause. You are doing amazing. Take a small breath. Sentence 41. I'm looking for the restroom. Listen, I'm looking for the restroom. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 42. Where is the bus stop? Listen, where is the bus stop? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 43. I need some help here. Listen, I need some help here. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 44. Please wait a moment. Listen, please wait a moment. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 45. I'll call you later. Listen, I'll call you later. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 46. I'm busy right now. Listen, I'm busy right now. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 47. Let's talk later. Listen, let's talk later. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 48. I feel tired today. Listen, I feel tired today. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 49. I need some rest. Listen, I need some rest. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 50. I feel much better now. Listen, I feel much better now. Repeat. Pause. Great work. We have 20 more sentences. Sentence 51. What are your plans today? Listen, what are your plans today? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 52. I'm staying at home. Listen, I'm staying at home. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 53. I'm going to work. Listen, I'm going to work. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 54. I work from home. Listen, I work from home. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 55. I like my job. Listen, I like my job. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 56. It's a busy day. Listen, it's a busy day. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 57. It's a quiet day. Listen, it's a quiet day. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 58. Can you help me with this? Listen, can you help me with this? Repeat. Pause. Sentence 59. I'll try my best. Listen, I'll try my best. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 60. That's all for today. Listen, that's all for today. Repeat. Pause. Almost there. Stay focused. Sentence 61. Let's start now. Listen. Let's start now. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 62. Let's take a break. Listen. Let's take a break. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 63. I agree with you. Listen. I agree with you. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 64. I don't agree. Listen. I don't agree. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 65. That makes sense. Listen. That makes sense. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 66. I'm not sure. Listen, I'm not sure. Repeat, pause. Sentence 67. Everything is ready. Listen. Everything is ready. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 68. Please be careful. Listen. Please be careful. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 69. Take your time. Listen. Take your time. Repeat. Pause. Sentence 70. Have a nice day. Listen. Have a nice day. Repeat. Pause. Wonderful. You did it. You practiced 70 sentences. Now let's see how to use these sentences in daily life. At home, you can say, I feel tired today. I need some rest. I'm staying at home. At work, you can say, I'm busy right now. Please wait a moment. Let's talk later. In a shop or cafe, you can say, how much is this? Can I have this, please? That's a good price. With friends or family, you can say, how was your day? That sounds good. See you later. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. When you use them every day, your confidence grows. Now let me tell you something important. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. Native speakers make mistakes too. That is normal. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. Every time you speak, you are getting better. Even one sentence a day is enough. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. You can listen to this lesson again. You can repeat again. You can shadow again. Practice in the morning. Practice at night. English is a skill. Skills grow with practice. You are doing amazing. I am proud of you. Let's end slowly and calmly. Today, you learned 70 useful sentences. You practiced speaking. You practiced confidence. Keep going. Do not stop. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with me. Have a nice day. See you next time.